sounds like someone's frying some bacon.
What?
What did you say?
Somebody else came through. It's one of the guys in the motorcycle.
Oh my!
Well, apparently it does happen.
It does indeed.
I started hearing something and I didn't know what I was hearing.
Yeah, I really hope that it did record that. It's really weird. Okay.
That was fantastic. That lady sounds so shocked.
I know. I mean, I can't help but wonder if they were getting up to something they should be on an open mesh network.
You said it smells like bacon, and she said what?
It sounded like bacon frying. Or a tap running or something.